Aww.
Again. Tella kicking her outfit. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I am talking very low today as I'm starting this vlog, but hopefully you guys can hear me. I know you guys will be able to hear me, so just bring your ears really close so you guys can hear what's going on. Anyway, you guys, my baby girl is sleeping and my big baby is sleeping, which is my husband, and it's me and my other babies. Oh, come. Say morning. Good morning. What were you doing just now? Tell this what you just did. I was doing a project. A project, a secret project, right? Yes. You guys will see the secret project tomorrow, right? Alright, keep doing, mama. I have things to do. Okay. Anyway, you guys, Tyler was working on something for Babe Father's Day tomorrow. So that's what he finished doing. It was a perfect timing because baby's sleeping, and we had done one in the week, but we wanted to do a second one, so he just finished doing that. However, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying blessed and stay loved and staying motivated and enjoying the little weather, the good weather that is outside, with also social distancing, and continue to stay safe. Right now I am about to kick off things in the kitchen.
After baby.
Tyler says subscribe and body after baby. You hear that? How many times Tyler is to tell you guys to go and subscribe? You guys are not listening. You guys need to listen. Go and subscribe on body after baby. The link is down below in the description box, and it will also be in the comment section. You guys, please, if every single one of you who watches this vlog just pause it, click that link, go subscribe, and come right back, it will mean a world of difference. You guys have no idea how much it will mean to me to get that one subscription. Please guys, go and subscribe. Anyway, I'm about to kick things off in the kitchen. I am prepping some stuff for Father's Day tomorrow, so I can make my husband a really nice dinner. I mean, I always make him nice dinner, but you know it's Father's Day, so I have to put a little extra touch on things. And then I am going to make some food for Sarah, lunch and dinner in the week. Then I'm going to make a lunch for the family for today and decide what I'm going to make for dinner today. So, child, I'll be in the kitchen for a hot minute. So I'm going to get those done right now, kick things off. So let's go. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. See you guys in a bit. Alright, you guys, so that is lunch for a few days. That's chicken, sweet potato, broccoli, and zucchini. And in this one, I have Irish potato, carrot, and a little piece of zucchini. And this one will be dinner for a few days. Okay, you guys, that's lunch for today. I had a little bit of rice left over, so I just threw it on there. We don't really do rice, but that's okay. It's just a little bit, it won't hurt. So that's lunch. Tyler is having rice and salmon, so it's left over from Tyler's rice that we're eating. Yummy? You made them. You love it?
Yes, I love rice.
Sure you do. Come. You guys are going on the road. Look at this little cutie.
Sarah, stop.
Come, Mama. Come, Sarah. Sarah, let's go.
Thanks, Mama.
Right, Tyler. Sarah, come. Bye-bye.
I'm going for her.
Come, Ty. You fix your slippers?
Yes.
Sarah, what you doing? Tell us, stand up. Don't move. Sarah. Sarah.
Bye-bye.
Sarah, bye-bye.
She running. I think she's going to do an on, Chico. Let's go on, Dominic.
Made a quick road run and Sarah and I stayed in the car. We're not getting out. The boys just gone into the store to come back. So just to let you guys know that Tyler will be going back to school on Monday, though it's almost vacation. Oh, there they are. Ah, they have candy.
Yeah.
Candy because it was nice. The lady giving that.
Oh, did you say merci?
Yeah.
Bravo. And you get hungry.
It's a nice stuff. It got a lot of
I told you. Okay, nice. I always admire it when I'm passing this tram stop. And I see even bags in there and stuff. Everything's school-wise.
Everything school is there.
Okay. I
I saw
see.
your elastic that you say you want.
The
That I
elastic
need
from
to
my
bring you
hair?
Yeah, that I need to bring you.
Okay.
20 or the pack.
Okay.
I mean, that's the tiny pack.
Anyway, guys, so Tyler have to carry a lot of his own things to school. So his glue finished, so we came to get glue for him, just to pick up a glue. And babe, funny enough, you go in there and you only pick up one glue.
One is not enough.
Yeah, but it'll go down eventually.
Yeah, if you go down, we come back here.
Oh my gosh. You know me, love pick up, back up for back up. Anyway, and also our barbecue that we had stopped working, so we had ordered a new one and it came today at a spot, so we went to go and pick it up. So of course barbecue is gonna be for dinner tonight.
Yeah.
So we're heading back home right now.
Yeah, buddy, man.
You guys, we are preparing dinner. And this is what's going down. I have a little salad. I'm gonna add a little fries to it, but I can't eat too much fries because that's just how my body is. Tyler's having fries. There's leftover fries here, and I'm frying some more for babe. So that's what's going on inside. And outside, that's the new barbecue. Put the chicken on, and we set it up to get out. Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Princess. Sarah. Sarah watching TV. cream and we want none.
I'm about to eat. I'm happy.
Just when I thought I was gonna leave. And is about to go to bed and he came to me and said what's the Jamaican expression. So Tyler is gonna give you guys a Jamaican expression for today. The Jamaica expression for today is, what is this? Read it, say it out aloud. Take
Pond.
Right. What's the expression?
Pond.
What does that mean?
That means we get ready and we do a dot somewhere.
No, it means stop constantly bothering me. So when you say mama, mama, mama for no reason, and I say Tyler, stop texting upon me. That means stop bothering me for no reason. Understand? Stop. Stop. Do you understand what it means?
Yeah.
Alright, tell the faves what's the Jamaican expression again. Texted pan.
Texted pan.
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 You hear, babe, what's the Jamaican expression?
Texepan.
Texted pan.
Texetpan.
Yes, what does that mean?
Cool, easy.
No. Stop bothering me.
Oh, Texetpan, man.
Say, babe, stop texted pan me.
Alright, with the angry face.
With the angry face, stop texted pan me. Where you texted pan me for? Alright, go to bed. Run along till it's night night.
And
What Fave's supposed to do? Tell them what they're supposed to do.
subscribe on Body After Baby.
Alright. Alright, go. 1, 2,
Hello?
3. You don't reach your room yet.
Go pee and go in your bed.
Hello.
Hello.
What's the French expression for today?
The French expression just come to my mind now, and there should have been Tyler saying it.
Is when he left, I said, but geez, he didn't say the French
The
expression.
French expression is tête d'œuf.
Tête d'œuf.
Yeah.
D'œuf.
D'œuf. Right. So what is tête d'œuf?
A head of a cow, head of a beef.
Tête is a head.
Wait, head of an egg.
Yes, but what it means? Head of a egg.
Have
That's
a
the translation.
soft head.
No.
Have a head that is always forgetting things.
No. Tête d'œuf. Tête d'œuf is somebody that no have no hair. It's a tête d'œuf. We have a lot of expression for people who have no hair, and tête d'œuf is one of them.
That makes sense. That absolutely makes sense. You'll never be one of those. Well, if one day your head top gun
You
and
can never
decided,
say
that's
that
true.
about
If you
losing hair.
If you decided that you're gonna go that way, then
Well, I also can decide not to go that way, and it happened.
that's true. Also true cancer. Watch him looking at me.
No cancer, just people losing their hair is
Anyway,
boil.
tête d'œuf.
Tête
Alright,
d'œuf.
tête d'œuf.
Yeah.
Why you look at me like that? Anyway,
I'm trying to
guys,
imagine you without your hair.
don't. There you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today, and we're gonna end the vlog here as the kids are off to bed. So now it's our time. Anyway, guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch fun, keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And don't forget to go and subscribe to Body After Baby. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe before you leave. Okay.